guys. So I was just coming back from a swim and I was starving and I was like, man, what should I make for breakfast? And then I remembered a Rustyc Spoon just started serving their breakfast menu this week. So I'm actually here now, just pulled up. There's already a pretty good line going. It's like 8:30 in the morning. So I'll let you know how it is. All right, bye. Alrighty guys, just got the Rustyc Spoon breakfast. Got the chorizo burrito. It looks pretty damn incredible. Some loaded hash browns there. Let's do it. Oh yeah, Rusty did it again. That's incredible. You gotta run down here and get one of these. And there are 4 other menu items that it genuinely took me like 10 minutes to decide between. So one with the breakfast burrito, because I'm always choosing those for breakfast. It's like my favorite breakfast food. Yeah, this is incredible. Alright guys, I gotta let you go. Gotta get back to this burrito. Alright, I just crushed that burrito. Probably record time. Let's check it out. These beautiful loaded hash browns. There's like a delicious aioli on them, bacon crumbles, little Parmesan cheese. It's a way to go. Yeah, definitely hurry on down here. Great food truck. Everything I've ever tried here is awesome. It's ran by great people. Come see them. Oh, I happen to be outside of probably my favorite brewery in town, so come on by.